We are on homework 11, page 2. In this, on page 2, we are calculating the interest due at the maturity for each of the following notes. Okay, so note A is a $10,000 note. The term is 60 days and the interest rate is 8%. So the interest due at maturity is going to be the principal of $10,000 times the interest rate of 8% times 60 days divided by 360, or $133,000, or $133. Let's do that. Okay, $133.33. Note B is going to be principal of $10,000 times the interest rate of 10% times 90 days divided by 360 days, or $250. Note C is going to be principal of $10,000 times their interest rate of 12%, or 0.12, times 120 days divided by 360 days, or $400. Okay, so we're going to record each of the notes at issuance. So at the issuance of note A, we're going to debit cash because we're borrowing money, $10,000, and we're going to credit notes payable, $10,000. And it's going to be the exact same journal entry for notes B and C because they're all for 10,000. C notes, oh, sorry, debit cash because we received cash. And we're going to credit notes payable, 10,000. Okay, let's make all these numbers. Okay. Prepare the journal entry to record the retirement of each note. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to debit notes payable, and this is always going to be at the principal. Then we're going to debit interest expense. And in the case of note A, that was $133.33. And we're going to pay it off with cash, so we'll credit cash. And it's going to be principal plus the interest. All right, so we'll do the exact same thing. In fact, these three things are going to be the same, so we're just going to copy them so I don't have to type again. So we'll debit notes payable for the principal, we'll debit interest expense, and we'll credit cash for the sum of the two. So our interest expense is $250, and so we're going to credit cash for $10,250, principal plus the interest. And notes 3, we'll debit for the principal, we'll debit for the interest expense of $400, and we'll credit cash for the principal plus the interest, $10,400. There we go. All right, that wraps up page 2.